everyone, Nancy's Treasure Home. What do you do on a snow day? Stay tuned because I'm going to show you all that's going on over here in Central Ohio. It's starting to come down really good again. Yay! Hello everyone, Nancy at That Treasure Home. Are you ready to see Snowmageddon? Da 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 da. Da 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 da. This is the snow at our door. Yeah. That's just at the door. This is the snow on the door. And la 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 la. Here's the snow that we have. And it's still coming down. Look at that. Yep. You can't see. You can barely see down to the street down there. And everything. My planters. Yeah, they done disappeared except a few of them. But yeah, we can't see our porch, our steps. Nothing. We're in a level 2, which means you do go out unless you absolutely necessarily have to. And the guy was here early this morning, snow plowing the parking lot. Yeah, he was just weird. I don't know why he was out, but then he hit the cement thing. He almost hit the mailboxes, and he did knock a tree down out front. So yeah, this is what that's at least 12 inches because my whiskey barrels are that high, 10 inches at least, and the small ones that were over there are 8 inches, 7, 8 inches. So yay! And I'll add pictures and all at the end. So y'all stay safe and stay warm. Hoo hoo hoo. Yep, it's still snowing and more. So all that's covered. Okay, I measured my flagpole that kind of broke in half from the bottom to the top is 17.5 inches. So we're going to measure our snow. I'm going to move this out of the way. It is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. It's still snowing, and the closest I can get is right here. That's beside my whiskey barrel. And that goes down, we say about 15, yeah, we've got a lot of snow. And then right here at the door, it's good 6, 7 inches. So, yeah, it's still coming down. Woohoo!